Well, new this morning, the all-new Ford Bronco making its debut, and we have our guy, auto expert Nik Miles, joining us live from Detroit with a look at that new beast. Nick, great to see you, and let's get right to the car. What does this thing look like?
Yeah, absolutely. Might be time to get rid of that minivan, by the way, my friend. Brand new Bronco unveiled last night in Detroit. So many things to tell you about. First of all, the interest in this vehicle could not be better. 1966, the original Bronco. It's been gone for almost 25 years. The Ford have been teasing it for 3 years. It's finally here. But in, Carl, 3 different flavors. You got the 2-door here. The gray one behind me is the 4-door. And then there is the Bronco Sport. So something for every single family. Design-wise, if you look at the outside of this vehicle, even if I take the yellow Bronco letters away from the front of the vehicle, that will actually still be a Bronco. The top comes off, the doors come off, they stow in the back. This is perfect for those people that don't want to travel amongst COVID and want to get a nice outdoor vacation going with their Bronco. Tested over 10 million different miles. This vehicle is not only great on the outside, but check the inside out, Carl. Yes, an 8-inch screen is standard, but that's a 12-inch screen on the inside. The grab handles you can move around so they suit every member of the family. Plus that bar across the front, you can attach your GoPro or your phone to it, and there's power at the base of the windshield. Plus, if your little one should happen to smell a juice box in the vehicle or you get nasty mud in it, there's a drain hole. You can hose out the interior of the vehicle, and you can have mildew-resistant seats. What better interior for anybody who's parenting or wants some outdoor adventures on the vehicle? But I know what you're asking, Carl. I know you're asking whether or not this vehicle has the modern tech and the apps that you want in a new Bronco. Yes, it does. In fact, it has apps you can share with all your off-roading friends to show where you're going. It also has a 360-degree camera so you can see throughout the vehicle. And on top of that, it has technology that you cannot believe in this vehicle. Again, Ford has spent years getting this ready to off-road. This is the sport version. Maybe this is a replacement for your minivan, Carl. Just saying. Not pushing, just saying. At the back of this vehicle, this shelf actually comes out and it works as a table. There are floodlights in the top here. These grab handles can also work as towel racks. Every Bronco only comes in 4x4. And on a hot day, there's nothing better than every Bronco having its very own, I have to use one hand to try and do this, bottle opener. And yes, you can have a soda right in the back of your Bronco. So a hot day turns into a great day. Unfortunately, I can't share any adult beverages until you're off the air. So you've got a little bit to wait for that, just a little bit. But you can share those here at the back of the Bronco. Starts around $29,000 for the Sport, under $30,000 for the 2-door, and then the 4-door goes up from there. The most I could spend on a Bronco was $63,000 if I put every single option on it. But it'll also come in a manual as well as a 10-speed automatic.
Interesting.
So choices are there for you, my friend. Maybe the minivan life is over.
You sold all of Wisconsin by having a bottle opener in the trunk of that car there, Nick. The simple things get us out here. But hey, if I trade in the minivan, it looks like I'm going to have a much more exciting life, too, doing a bunch of off-roading there in my brand new Bronco. Thank you, Nick.
You're welcome.
Cheers to you.
He's doing everything he can to get you out of that.
I know. I've had it for a long time. It's going to take a lot of convincing.
A lot, yes.